Hello viewers, today I will show you Instagram Reels black screen problem. Okay, let's start. Fix this problem. Follow my all the step properly. Tap on Instagram app. Scroll down. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache and clear data. Go back. Tap on permission. Allow all this permission. Instagram account. Go back. Go to Play Store. Now search Instagram account. Update Instagram's app latest version. Now restart your phone. Now open Instagram account. Profile icon. Tap on three dot menu. Scroll down. Tap on accessibility. Tap on dark mode. Now turn off dark mode. Go back. Now tap on Instagram Reels icon.